Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Adil and today is all about these two absolute beasts we've got here, the BMW X5 models. However, these aren't an ordinary X5. To my right hand side we have the absolutely stunning BMW X5M competition, and then here on my left hand side we've got the M60i. Incredible cars with absolutely lovely specs on them as well. I really like the color. I'm a massive fan of bright colors on cars. However, this looks incredibly special as well, just in terms of that paintwork that it's got and the interior. It just looks absolutely incredible. We've got both of them in today, so we thought we'd share the video between both the vehicles and go through what we've done on each vehicle. Both of these are actually from returning clients of ours, completely separate customers. Incredible to have both these clients back with us. But I'm going to start off with my right hand side here, the X5M competition, and go through what we've added onto this vehicle. So this vehicle is incredibly lovely, and it's all about protecting that vehicle, and what this client was after was protecting it from theft. So what we've added on is a couple of things. One is the Ghost Immobiliser, which in essence is a PIN code sequence. So you get in the car, start the car up, enter your unique code, and then the vehicle starts up. Many people, if you are following or looking into Ghost Immobilisers, you might be thinking, well, I've seen somewhere online that they've said it's stolen. Vehicle security is very plain and simple. It's all about how it's installed. The product, yes, needs to be good, needs to be great, but it's all about the install. We've just had to redo an install for a client while we've been doing some work on the vehicle, because we came across the Ghost and it was just a horrific install. Really obvious where it was placed, and it just needed to be buried into the vehicle. This vehicle has actually been worked on, both of these have been worked on in a 5-meter bay. Plenty of space around each car, making sure everything, all the trim that we've removed, goes carefully on custom built shelving behind, again, on both vehicles. That is how every vehicle, no matter the value, no matter what the vehicle is, gets treated with exactly the same present. So this has had the Ghost Immobiliser, and that is really properly installed. We take around about sort of 3 to 4 hours to do an install on one of these. We spend a lot of time on them just to do the Ghost alone, and the reason is because of, in essence, we want it done properly so no thief can get hold of this vehicle. So that is the Ghost Immobiliser. I'm not going to jump in, obviously we've got two vehicles to cover today. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail into each one. However, if you want a little bit more info, we've got lots of other videos, but also you can give us a call and we can go through it. But that's the Ghost Immobiliser, stopping the vehicle from going. However, the vehicle can, in theory, for example, without entering a code, I could lift this onto a truck and I'd have the car and steal it. So that is where a tracker comes in, because if there is a vehicle that, like this, that is picked up or moved, or any movement or ignition on without the tag present, you're going to get notified by a push notification on your phone call, text message, whatever, and that basically keeps the vehicle secure in terms of Thatcher approved tracking system. And that also, the really important thing with that is it actually might reduce your insurance premiums as well. So not only are you obviously securing the vehicle, peace of mind for yourself, however, you're also potentially getting a little bit of a discount, but insurance companies tend only like to take your money rather than give any back. But that is a Thatcher approved tracking system also on the vehicle, and that's a really nice partnership that you got both on there to secure the vehicle. The other thing we've done is added on the the Thinkware dash cam, which is a front and rear solution with parking mode. This, again, really popular solution, because this in essence works a bit like CCTV around the car at all times to basically keep the vehicle secure, also against dinks and dents. So for example here, say I was a idiot and I came through and hit this car on the door and it left a nasty dent. I have had to come in front of the car or behind the car to be able to impact even the side, and that is where the coverage of having front and rear really does pick up really nicely. So that is a product from Thinkware. We do lots of different options. We've got a full price list available for you guys for that, but head over to our website because we've got a whole security section on there, and then the dash cam is under the upgrade section as well. But we do loads of other bits and pieces like the paint protection film that this car's got, loads of other bits and pieces. But that in essence is that job. So all wrapped up with that one, let's move over to this one. So the M60i is, again, returning client of ours, and he always has pretty much the same stuff. This is all for basically driver aid. So we've got a product called Target Blue Eye in this vehicle. You would have seen plenty of videos on it all over our TikTok and Instagram and whatnot. Target Blue Eye basically alerts you of marked and unmarked vehicles. That is yeah, literally as good as it sounds, and it's actually integrated into the factory rear view mirror. So no cosmetic change in the vehicle. Basically, we mount two little buttons on the back of the mirror, and that allows you to control the system going to city to highway mode, and in essence really have a visual and audible alert of approaching marked and unmarked cars. Really, really cool bit of kit, guys. If you haven't heard of it before, we've got loads of other videos on how it works as well, but honestly, phenomenal. We've also linked into the same system, or into a similar system, the laser track system. So basically what that is a automatic gate opening system. But you might be thinking, well, there's no extra sensors or anything like that on the front here. What we've actually done is integrated it into this panel here, which is a sensor behind a number plate surround, so you can't really see it at all, and there is override switches to turn that on and off, and that is an automatic gate opening system. So basically the way it works is your gate would emit a signal to that, or scan that for example, and it would basically emit a feedback back to it and say, yes, I can see that radar and I need to open my gate. But overall, this is a really, really cool solution, and this is so many times now I've removed this system. I think literally this kit has come out of nearly 5 cars now. Every time he swaps his cars, we take it out and put it into the next one. It is all reversible, and same with the gear that we've got onto this orange one as well. So over the moon with the final results. Our team have absolutely smashed it out the park. So if you're interested in a mix of all of the different bits and pieces we do, or just want to fancy a little tickle of each one, for example, you might just be focusing on the Ghost Immobiliser, or you might be focusing just on Target Blue Eye, for example. But whatever it might be, we are here to help, guys. Our main kind of options and what we do is all listed on our website. So feel free to head over there, go check it all out, see what we do, and also head over to the rest of the videos on our channel, because you'll be able to see some of the other bits and pieces we might be able to offer for your vehicle. But all our work is done here at our site in Cambridge. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.